Welcome to Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are the top stories in Injective in the second half of December. Mito Launchpad. The first ever Mito Launchpad vote went live. Learn all the details in this episode. SOLANA Name Service Integration. The SOLANA Name Service is now integrated on Injective. How was this integration possible and what are the advantages for the Injective ecosystem? New Injective dApps. Tech updates, events, and much more in this episode. And now, for today's top stories. With INJ 2.0, any Injective dApp can contribute to the burn auction, allocating up to 100% of their collected fees to the auction basket. The proposal 302 is to burn the revenues generated from the sales of INJ domain names. For context, initially it was agreed that 50% of the revenue from INJ domain names would be shared with Injective Labs, and proposal 302 is to recommend burning this 50% share of the revenue starting from December of 2023. And then with quarterly burns, sending this share of INJ domain names revenue into the burn auction basket once every quarter. Injective achieved several major milestones. Firstly, there was a large increase in the number of INJ delegators, increasing by around 3 times in a short period in December, and thus further improving Injective security and decentralization. Also, over 55 million blogs were produced, and there are now over 250,000 active addresses. Injective released a tutorial about how to bridge from Cosmos to Injective using the Kelper wallet, and also how to bridge from Solana to Injective using Phantom. In the tutorial about bridging from Cosmos, while Atom is used as an example, it is possible to bridge also using the same steps with any other CW20 asset. Below, you will find the links to both tutorials. SOLANA Name Service is now integrated on Injective. This means that both SOL and INJ domains can be used on Injective, and this is the world's first interoperable name protocol. This integration is possible thanks to inEVM, which is the first Solana SVM rollup for the IBC ecosystem that allows Solana devs to deploy Solana contracts and dApps onto Injective. The first Mito Launchpad vote went live, with the community able to choose from a total of 4 highly anticipated projects. Black Panther, which is an asset management protocol that helps ninjas achieve superior returns and has the most votes in the first Mito Launchpad vote. Hydra Protocol, which is Injective native liquid staking derivatives protocol, and 2 NFT projects, Burp Token and Quants. Filament is a hybrid perp DEX, an order book, and an innovative on-chain LP model, and they will launch on Injective EVM in Q1 of 2024. Filament shared some of the reasons for choosing to build on Injective, such as composability with Cosmos, Ethereum, and Solana, exponential user growth, MEV resistance, fast execution, and more. Kuji reached almost $6 million trading volume on Helix within 24 hours, making Helix the first DEX in Kuji in terms of trading volume. Helix achieved another milestone with over $14 billion in cumulative derivatives volume. Well done, Helix. A new native Injective token called Autism was also listed on Helix, with a spot market pair with INJ. Moon app is a launchpad and trading product built on Injective with over 250,000 users and the first mobile-based launchpad with users on Android and iOS. Moon app has tools for MEV, on-chain limit orders, and more. Moon app is also running an airdrop for the early Injective community with 2% of native app supply as reward. To qualify, you can trade on Injective via Moon app. DEX Screener is a real-time DEX token analytics, and it has now integrated and is tracking Injective. This integration will allow real-time tracking of all DEX tokens launching on Injective using Astroport and soon also Helix tokens. Several features are available, such as watchlists, alerts, multi-charts, and more. Dojo Swap is the first native AMM DEX on Injective, and following the mainnet, it quickly achieved over $2.5 million in TVL. Dojo Swap supports Kelper Wallet and MetaMask support will be added soon. Users can swap LP and earn rewards. Starship, a community-driven multi-chain fundraising platform, has integrated with Injective. Starship mentioned several reasons to integrate with Injective, such as lightning fast speed, instant transaction finality, and 0.8-second block time. Garda Wallet has also integrated Injective, and Ninja Blaze announced a new game on Injective called Rochambeau. Injective announced the Injective Ecosystem End of the Year Treasure Hunt. To win the awards, it is required to find the 12 secret words spread across 12 Injective Ecosystem dApps. Here you can see the logos of the 12 dApps, including Helix, Mito, Talus, and other dApps. Each of these dApps will hide a word that participants need to find. Once the 12 words are found, it is required to submit them in a Google form. There was an Injective community call on the 22nd of December and also an interview of Injective's co-founder Eric with Truflation to discuss about Injective's roadmap and how Injective is aiming to continue building the future of Web3 finance. Injective released a blog post with the review of 2023 and the key highlights and milestones. The link to the main articles included below, but here's a summary of the major Injective milestones in 2023. The launch of inEVM and inSVM, Injective is the only L1 where Ethereum, Cosmos, and Solana devs can collaborate and build together. Injective was added in Google Cloud's BigQuery, which only supports leading blockchains such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Helix had also great progress in 2023 with pre-launch futures, LP rewards, Helix guilds, and more. Mito automated vault and Launchpad was also revealed, and Talus protocol became one of the leading NFT protocols in the whole crypto industry. During 2023, active wallet addresses and major growth, growing from 14,000 to over 290,000, and the total number of transactions surged from 140,000 to over 390,000. In November, the Injective community celebrated the second main anniversary of Injective. Moreover, the largest tokenomics update so far with INJ 2.0 was also announced in 2023, and BitGo integrated Injective for future institutional DeFi adoption. Stride launched liquid staking support for INJ, and some other highlights include the $150 million Injective Ecosystem Fund and the Global Virtual Hackathon in partnership with Google Cloud. All these impressive highlights are just the tip of the iceberg of all the milestones achieved by Injective during 2023. We look forward to all the upcoming exciting milestones in 2024. And that is all for today's Injective Ecosystem Bi-Weekly Review. So if you enjoyed Ninjas, remember to click that like button, subscribe button, and bell icon too. Remember that we are now securing Injective as a validator in the active set. So if you would like to support our Injective content, you can follow the link below to stake some INJ with Cosmic Validator. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you, Ninjas, very soon in the next episode.